How to share folders in OneDrive. So this is a simple and easy guide on how to share folders in OneDrive. So open your Microsoft account and then make sure you are logged in. Go to these 9 dots at the top left corner and then click OneDrive. Here you will see your account, you will see your files. So if you want to simply share your folder here in OneDrive, go to Files or My Files, locate a specific folder, tap this 3 dots, or you can click this share button in order for you to share your folder directly. Here you will see this, send your folder. Then you just have to enter the name, group, or email address. You can also edit settings here. For example, if you want to send this to specific people, then you can tap the second one, more settings. If you want these people to edit or can only view, that means they can't edit your folder or anything here on your file. So let's just say tap edit. For this one, you need to update your plan. Once done, all you have to do is click apply. Now you can add the name, the group, or the email of that person and then tap send. You could also click copy, paste this link, and share this to any of your social media platform or account. So basically, that's how easy it is to share folders in OneDrive. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.